I never thought much about the power going out till it actually happened. It was a stormy night, and just like that, everything went dark. The lights, the heat, the Wi-Fi, all gone. My phone battery was dying, the food in the fridge started to go warm, and the worst part? I had no idea how long it would last. I felt helpless. That experience stuck with me. And I knew I had to find a solution. Not next week, not someday. So I started looking. So gas-powered generators, but honestly, it's too noisy, too expensive, and I didn't want to deal with fuel. Solar, too complicated. Then I found something called the Lost Generator, and it changed everything. This isn't some massive machine or overpriced tech. It's a digital guide that shows you how to build your own off-grid generator using simple materials. And get this based on a long-lost design by Thomas Edison. I know what you're thinking. That sounds way over my head. Believe me, I felt the same way. But I gave it a shot. I downloaded the guide, went through the instructions, and within just a few days I built it. It was way easier than I expected. No technical skills needed. The diagrams were clear, the parts were affordable, and I could find everything I needed at the hardware store. Now I have my own generator right here in my home. It runs without gas. It's completely quiet. It powers everything I need in an emergency. But even more important than the electricity, it gave me confidence. I no longer feel anxious when I hear thunder or see power alerts on the news. I know I'm ready, and if I could do it, too can too. Thousands of women and families are building this exact system, not because they're paranoid, but because they're practical, smart, prepared. This guide includes everything you need, step-by-step instructions, parts list, diagrams, and full support. Plus, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. If you're even thinking about preparing for outages, or you just want peace of mind, I highly recommend you check it out. Don't wait for the lights to go out. Don't be caught unprepared. You can do this. And when the next blackout hits, so be so glad you did.